See, just see the beauty of nature. You are watching some birds. The birds are called herons. Some heron birds are flying in the sky. The village area is looking so beautiful. You know that the village side is so beautiful. We feel the nature beauty in village area. Here you can see a big ship is going on through Bhagirathi river of Azimganj. At the time I was in Azimganj and I saw this ship was going on and I took this video clip. Okay, so this is the beauty of nature. When we see some ships are sailing in the river or in the sea or ocean, they make the scenery so beautiful, so beautiful. Actually, the nature of beauty make them more beautiful rather than normal. Okay, so just making this view so beautiful by sea.